What's the difference between this Hilux and Fortuner?
Again, the Fortuner. Fortuner again is no less capable. If you're a biker, you can load your bikes in the back. You're going.
हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आई होप यू ऑल डूइंग गुड। ओके, तो आज हम लोग आए हैं ट्राइबल कैफ़े को एंड इट इज़ 18th में एंड टाइम इज़ ऑलमोस्ट 4 o'clock राइट नाउ। तो हम लोग आए हैं ट्राइबल एडवेंचर कैफ़े, क्योंकि लास्ट टाइम हम लोग आए थे रमज़ान के टाइम KTM का करने के लिए, जैसे कि आप लोग उधर पे बोर्ड्स देख सकते हैं। बट इस बार हम लोग आए हैं टोयोटा हाईलैक्स की टेस्ट राइड के लिए। यू कैन जस्ट चेक दिस आउट, दिस इज़ द न्यू एडिशन, लाइक द ब्लैक वन। तो वी गोना टेक द टेस्ट ड्राइव ऑफ टोयोटा हाईलैक्स, बट ये वाली नहीं, बट एक और भी खड़ी है उधर पे, तो वी गोना टेक दैट। बट जस्ट चेक दिस आउट, इट लुक्स डैम अमेजिंग and it's an automatic 4x4 and black color काफ़ी सही लग रहा है गाड़ी का। just check this out। Hilux। तो फिलहाल अभी थोड़े बहुत रजिस्ट्रेशंस के बाद फिर थोड़ा स्नैक्स ख़त्म करते हैं एंड फिर उसके बाद गाड़ी के साथ मिलता है। स्टे ट्यून्ड।
तो 4-wheel ड्राइव मोड नॉर्मल अगर आप सिटी में हाईवे पे चलाते हो तो दैट विल बी H2। सो H2 to H4 इज शिफ्ट ऑन द फ्लाई, आपको गाड़ी रोकनी नहीं पड़ती। तो इफ यू आर ड्राइविंग अलोंग, सडनली यू सी sand on the road or maybe the oil tanker has turned, there's an oil spill, so the rear wheels will start spinning, the vehicle goes fishtailing. You can just flick the switch, go to H4 and all your 4 wheels get traction. So all 4 wheels get power, they get traction, and that helps you just make sure that you get through it safely. Other cars mostly, because only 2 wheels are driving, and those driving wheels, as soon as they lose traction, it goes all over the place. You can go in a ditch or whatever. So that's why it's on the fly. You don't have to stop the vehicle, just flick the switch, 2-wheel to 4-wheel drive. Your indicator comes on, that's the 4 high indicator, the green one. So once it's solid, that means you have traction in all 4 wheels, right? So we'll start off the course, we'll go this way and we'll just drive it in 4 high for now. transfer power to the other wheels, but it's jerky. It'll spin, jerk, spin, jerk. Hilux comes with a rear diff lock. So I'll lock the diff. So instantly the wheels get locked together, the rear wheels.
Okay.
The one which was sitting on ground without moving now is forced to turn. So the power is forcibly sent to it, it's forced to turn, and that gets turned. So the rear diff or the diff locks in general are not something that we leave on for extended periods. So when you are stuck, yes, we engage the diff lock. As soon as you're out, turn them off. So you turn it off, it takes a second sometimes. Not an issue. We'll go straight ahead.
So finally we have completed our trial, and here we have our trainer. Your good name again? Sidhu with us. So you can just explain us about a little bit of features, like while coming down we had the braking thing, right?
Yeah, it's called the DAC, the downhill assist.
Okay.
So ideally when you're coming downhill, sometimes you might panic. You're hitting the brakes, you're hitting them too hard, causing the wheels to lock up. That can cause your car to slide. If it's a muddy road or if there's any sort of other traction that you lose traction, you can end up in a ditch or going sideways, which we don't want. So the DAC, it brakes for you, it keeps you going straight and makes sure that your car stays rolling. So it's kind of an ABS for off-road. Yeah.
And one more thing was H4 to L4.
So the four-wheel drive for the 4 high, you can shift it on the fly. You don't have to stop the vehicle. You can just flick the switch anytime between 2 high to 4 high, and that indicator light goes on. Once it goes solid, you have drive in all 4 wheels, right? So 4 high is kind of like you have higher speeds, you can carry higher speeds, you have traction in all 4 wheels, you have power in all 4 wheels, but speeds are higher. You can go around up till 100 kilometers an hour. But the low range, the L4, it's meant for crawling, it's meant for going over difficult obstacles, like you have rocks, you have maybe you are doing a water crossing, things like those. So for that you need to be slow and in control. So for the L4, you stop the vehicle, you put it in neutral, you go to L4, right? L4. Now this is the low range. You cannot go very fast, but it has loads and loads of torque. So that indicator comes on, the 4LO.
Okay.
Now you're in 4 low range. The low range is engaged.
Okay.
Right. So now this is ready to take on anything.
Alright.
So water crossing, climbing up mountains.
You can do extreme adventure. in this.
Extreme, yes. All that is done in L4.
Alright.
Yeah, so this also comes with a rear differential locking system, which again the off-roaders love, because open differentials usually are, I mean, yeah, they're great. We have 4x4s, but open differentials send power to the path of least resistance. So if you have one wheel up in the air, that wheel keeps spinning, the other one sits around doing nothing.
Yeah.
But with the rear or with the locking differential, both wheels are forced to turn at the same time.
Okay.
So that is what gets out of tricky situations. And plus drift cars have lock differentials, so you can do donuts. Not in this, of course, but yeah. So locks are always good.
Okay. And one more thing I wanted to ask was, what's the difference between, because we have 4x4 in Fortuner as well.
Yeah.
So what's the difference between this Hilux and Fortuner?
Again, the Fortuner is a very capable vehicle. It has a low range, right? But it is a big, heavy SUV, and plus it has a lot of cosmetic parts around it that can get damaged if you take it off-road.
Okay.
Right, the Hilux again has better approach angle, departure angle, and you can do mods to it easily. You can raise it up, like get a better suspension, make it more off-road friendly.
Okay.
So the Fortuner again is no less capable. It's just that I would not want to hurt a Fortuner taking it off-road, right? It's the king of the highways,
Yeah.
and when you need it, it can go off-road. It can climb mountains as well, that's for sure. But this is made for a purpose. The Hilux is made for that purpose.
So it's basically, Fortuner is like a family car SUV.
Yeah.
And this one is pure adventure.
You can just, if you're a biker, you can load your bikes in the back. You're going camping, throw your gear in the back, go anywhere. Like if you go up in the mountains, you'll see people just using this for everything. You go to poor estate owners, they throw their coffee in the back, they carry around stuff. So it can be anything. It can be a comfortable highway cruiser, it can be a workhorse, it can be work truck, whatever you want to take it as. This is a very versatile vehicle.
Yeah.
So that's what the Hilux is. Yeah.
Alright. It was great having a session with you.
Thank you. I'm glad you enjoyed it.
Yeah, I loved it.
And
Especially
I hope your viewers enjoy it too.
Yeah, hopefully. And
Right.
there's one more edition launched, right? The black edition.
Black edition, yes. We had it on display. I think they've now
Yeah,
taken it home.
I just saw
But
it.
yeah, it looks amazing with the right mods to it. That'll be kind of the mafia vehicle. You can black
Yeah.
everything out.
Even the
put big-
Hilux is written in the black.
Yeah, you can put bigger tires and stuff. It looks really amazing.
Okay, alright. Thank you. Thank you so much.
You're most welcome. Thanks. Yeah.
Alright, so finally we're done with the test ride. सब कुछ हो गया है and अभी the time is almost 5:45, तो it's gonna be 6. कैसा था हम तुम्हारा एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ रोड में?
अच्छा था ऑफ रोडिंग का, और एवरी वीक अवेलेबल है कहते हैं, आके एंजॉय करके जाओ, टेस्ट ड्राइव का मजे लो राइट से।
तो अनदर 3-4 मंथ्स के वास्ते अनदर 3-4 मंथ्स के वास्ते एवरी वीकेंड इट्स अवेलेबल फॉर द टेस्ट राइड ऑफ हाइलैक्स। अगर आप लोग भी करना चाहते हो ऑफ रोड एक्सपीरियंस तो यू कैन डायरेक्टली कम टू ट्राइबल एडवेंचर एंड रजिस्ट्रेशंस बाहर होंगे। तो वंस द रजिस्ट्रेशंस आर डन यू विल बी एबल टू गेट द व्हीकल फॉर द टेस्ट राइड। एंड अगर किसी को लेना भी है तो नंबर और लोकेशन सब कुछ आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएगा। तो फिलहाल अभी लेट्स गेट डन विद रिफ्रेशमेंट्स एंड फिर उसके बाद घर चलता है। रजिस्ट्रेशंस के टाइम यू विल गेट द रिफ्रेशमेंट्स, जिसमें मिलेगा बर्गर, सलाद, समोसा, ब्राउनी और एक जूस इन वन रिफ्रेशमेंट एंड एक वाटर बॉटल।